Could a keyboard really pack this many premium features into one sleek package and still be wireless? The iRocks K74R is here to make a bold statement, proving that you don't have to compromise on customization or convenience. This isn't just another mechanical keyboard, it's a versatile powerhouse designed to elevate your desk experience. Right out of the box, the iRocks K74R impresses with its hot-swappable switches. For anyone who loves to tinker or simply wants the freedom to change their typing feel without needing a soldering iron, this is genuinely exciting. It means you can easily swap out the pre-installed brown switches for something clickier, linear, or whatever your heart desires, extending the keyboard's life and adaptability for years to come. With a 50 million click lifespan, N-key rollover, and anti-ghosting, it's built for serious performance, whether you're gaming or typing up a storm. One of the standout features has to be the smart wheel control. This isn't just a volume knob, it's a highly configurable tool that works natively with Windows 10. Imagine adjusting scroll speed, zooming in on photos, fast-forwarding through videos, or fine-tuning creative software, all with a simple turn of a wheel. That's a game-changer for productivity and multimedia tasks, offering a level of control that feels incredibly intuitive. Durability is clearly a priority here, and the pre-installed PBT double-shot keycaps are a testament to that. You really feel the difference compared to standard ABS keycaps. They resist shine and wear much better, ensuring your legends stay crisp and clear thanks to the dual injection technology that prevents fading, even with the vibrant RGB backlighting shining through. Speaking of wireless, the K74R connects via a robust 2.4 GHz RF signal, offering a stable and responsive connection. It's important to note that it doesn't support Bluetooth, but the dedicated 2.4 GHz connection is often preferred by gamers for its low latency. Powering this wireless freedom is a substantial 3750 mAh battery, delivering an impressive 180 hours without backlight, or around 40 hours with the full RGB show. Charging is handled by a convenient detachable USB-C cable, which also allows for wired use. A crucial detail to remember is to only use a DC 5V charger. Improper usage with a PD charger could damage the keyboard, so pay close attention to that. The frameless design is another thoughtful touch. It not only makes the RGB lighting more visible, creating a stunning aesthetic, but it also simplifies cleaning. No more struggling to get into tight corners. A quick wipe is often all it takes to keep your keyboard looking pristine. The iRocks K74R is a fantastic blend of high-end features, robust build quality, and user-friendly design. It offers a truly customizable and premium experience, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just someone who appreciates a top-tier typing experience. This keyboard stands out as a remarkably versatile and robust option, offering a premium experience for both gamers and creators alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.